So hi guys, this is Vanda Sani and today's video is how to find ourselves when we really are feeling in our life lost. So basically it's a feeling that you can't describe anyone. You can't explain anyone. You just feeling emptiness inside of yourself and you are like trying to do everything to make that space fill within you and it's like that space is so much empty and alone and dark that whatever you are doing, whatever the situation and things you are going through in your life, nothing is making you feel really good about yourself, about your life, about your decision, anything. And all having all those kind of feeling is very common. I also feel, and lot all of people is feeling the same. It's just a matter of like some people recognize it, aware of themselves, and they just allow themselves to feel that emptiness. And some people like go into their life experiences and have totally been numb by their emotions. They are going through situation and things in their life, and they are okay with it. They like compromise with life, they are compromise with the situation, that they sacrifice their happiness. But you have to ask the question that really I want to live my life the way I am living today, or I need to identify that what is emptiness. Because whatever you do, you always like how much you rest, you always feel like I'm so much tired today. And that like you are constantly asking others for a validation, you are constantly finding people around you, so you never feel alone, and you are smiling from the outside but you are lost, but you are not happy from the inside. You are just like a one, and wondering that when I lost myself, wondering that when I feel like I completely lost my authentic self, where I was like a laughing, playing without thinking others. Because these days social media is the worst reason behind it, because we are so much like investing in others life, investing in so much like what's going with other people, what they are doing in their daily life, and our hectic schedule, job, everything, like a work life and school life, everything is so much hectic that life is not giving us time to rest. Life is like a race, a marathon, that we continuously, how much we are running in that race. It's like never ending race. Each day we are waking up, doing everything to make the society fulfill and make the society feel happy. But at the end of the day or night, we are feeling like I do everything whatever people say and want me to do. And maybe I also think somewhere that this is the right thing, like finding a job, finding a partner, finding a this thing, that thing. Even though a successful people also feeling up like you thinking like every successful person have everything in their life, whatever your desire. But if you go in their life and watch everything whatever they are going through, you feel like they are also somewhere some kind of alone, they are also empty from the inside. So why we all are going through same this kind of thing? What is the reason behind it? And the reason is like we need to connect with ourselves. We are feeling lost, and we need to really connect with our self, with our soul, with our mind, with our body, becoming one, totally one, without any distraction. Because sometimes we are taking a break, but break doesn't feel like a break, because sometimes when we are like my also thinking in these days, like today is Sunday and Sunday is basically off day, and I thought like I would I whole day I will going to just rest, and I like fully make myself like a feel less exhausted, because whole week I was like continuously doing, and like so much exhausted by the people, by the energy. And today I think like I will going to only rest and give all the time to myself. But at the end of the day I realize like I just spend all the time doing whatever I wanted, like make me feel relaxed, but more I feeling like lost. I don't have words to describe, I don't have thoughts to think, that kind of feeling. So what is the reason, so some situation is going through like a astrological wise too, because whenever your life is about to transform and become a like a going through end of a cycle, when something is ending in your life feel like that everything is like a cycle of ending something, and a new beginning is horizon. So sometimes it's like a completely okay to accept that, okay, and I'm not abandoning my emotions, I am accepting that this is I'm feeling and that is I'm feeling, and all of those things I'm feeling just because of, like, at least I can't fix the problem, but I'm not also abandoning myself. And you just need to like connect with nature, connect with yourself, and that is the way you will going to find yourself, and do things what you love to do in your childhood, like whatever you wanted to do in a like a childhood, like a do those things, and just sometimes away from the social media, away from family, everything, just spend some time in nature with, because nature is the healer best healer. Like walk barefoot on a soil, touch the tree trunks, and like touch the like spend some time with nature, because nature is always like a so welcoming, so much healing to us, that they are like, even with like we are doing nothing in there, but whenever we are like around the nature, tree or plant or anything, I feel lighter, I feel like I'm doing something productive. And just sometimes ask, sit alone with yourself, write down all your thoughts, whatever you are feeling, because it's not, finding yourself is not something you are doing out of your character. It's just like you are recognizing your feeling, because you are ignoring your emotion, ignoring your thoughts from very long time, and now your emotion on the peak, that is like on the peak, that I'm feeling not myself, and now you have to pay attention towards me. So in that situation, and just generalize all your thoughts, feel the emotion, accept yourself, and be gentle to yourself. Don't be so much harsh, and always love people, spread so much love, but sometimes you need to sometimes give that love to yourself. Because if you like whole day I was just like feeling frustrated, irritated, because when I am not able to do what I wanted to do, and find the peace within me, so I feel like so much like frustrated by the around the people around me, and I feel so much like irritated by seeing their face, even though they have nothing to do with me, but still I feel frustrated by seeing their face. It's just because of like some part of me I'm feeling frustrated by myself. And that is why, because energy and every emotion is a reflection of outer world, inner world, sorry. So whatever we are feeling from the inside, sometimes we are not able to see it through our eyes and through our emotions. So sometimes situation and things are happening around us in that way, that those things making us to feel like you should and you need to pay attention to what this problem, because this is something is so bigger, and now you need to focus your focus on that problem. So some, that is why some people come to in our life and trigger that problem, because you have a problem, that is why they are triggering your problem. So it's not their mistake, or it's not their uh, how can I say, I don't remember that word, but it's not their mistake. It's just like sometimes it's our own emotions is asking our attention. So I think like these days, like I sometimes when I talk, I have a lot of things to talk, and there is a lot of things like I want to share. And I was like thinking that what I will going to, because after so long time I'm recording this video, and I don't have any kind of topic to talk about. But I thought like why not make the video, because I'm feeling lost, literally lost, and I think like a lot of people is also going through the same, and it is common. It is not something disease or something like that, but it is common. But how can we, like sometimes even someone say like that is okay, whatever you are feeling, that is totally completely okay to feel all those things. That is the best healing. That is the best relief in our life that we needed. Or maybe this video is for that some you need a friend that will going to understand, that say to you that okay, whatever your feeling is valid, your emotion is valid, you are not doing anything wrong, and you just find a peace. You are not behind, you are just racing, you are just running your race by your, like in your by, because everything think like in that way that God is planning. And if you are thinking like I'm going slow, everyone is so fast and achieving so many things in their life, so everyone have their own pace. Some people achieve in very less time so many things, and some people like take times. When they have things, they have solid things, because the early the rise, the early the fall. I don't know any kind of, but yeah, thank you so much for being here, patience, and just have patience, and be gentle to yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.